In this video, I am going to give you some tips and techniques on how to start your design. Whether you are designing a website or an app, a user interface design of any kind, whenever you start a design, that is the problem. Where we should start the design? Should we select the typography first, or should we make components first, or should we design wireframes first? So this is the question that comes to your mind. So whenever you start a design, you have a blank canvas. The first thing you are going to do is you have to have some inspirations around you that are related to that design. Maybe that's a financial website, then you must have some financial organizations and their websites, their screenshots, you can get the ideas. Second thing is you need to have the content, paragraphs, headings, images that are going to be used. That is the second thing. So whenever you start a design, these two things you always must have with you. So that is going to be your starting point. You have to put your content on the canvas, just drop it, and just use black and white colors. No colors. Never start with a colorful design. These choices are going to be at the end. So when you start a design, you just throw the content over there, you just try to place them. Then you are going to select the scale. What is going to be the biggest, what is going to be smaller, how you are going to arrange them. Arrangement and scale is going to be your next step. After you put the content there, you are going to make the heading bigger. Just select any typeface, just one typeface for everything. We are going to select everything later on. We can work on details later on. So select those, scale and layout, placement. We can change the placement later on, but scale, you have to make the heading very big, subheading a little bit smaller. You have to decide what will be the typeface size for the paragraph, how bigger will be the image over here or the button. So you have to decide those things. This is going to be scale and placement. After you are done with scale and placement, we are going to add typeface. First, you are going to select the typeface for your paragraph font. Paragraph is why? Because it is going to be a typeface which is more readable, more easy on the eyes. These are the first things that are going to be your priority in selecting typeface. So you have to select the typeface. Then after you select the typeface for the paragraph font, you have to match the typeface of your heading. Either you can choose the same typeface, a bolder one for the heading, or you can go with a serif typeface with some serif endings for the heading, because bigger sizes, it can easily be readable. It's up to you. You can match the typefaces over here. Next is going to be your colors. In the end, we are going to add colors. Color is going to give the hierarchy into your design. Just like scale gives the balance in what is going to be the first priority or second, third, fourth. Color is going to add into that. So it is going to give you depth like shadows, colors. You can add all those details in the end of your design. So this is actually my design process, or you can say for beginners, beginner designers, or whenever you are designing. A lot of people, they don't know how to manage a design, or if you are starting a design, you are afraid what are you designing, or maybe something goes wrong, or what is the process I should follow. So this is a simple process I follow, and you can also follow this one. So if you follow this process, your designs will be a lot better, or you can say easier to change or adopt. If you want to change the layout, you can change it. If you want to change the color scheme, you can change it, because you have already selected your typeface. You are confirmed that this typeface is done. This is going to be my typeface for this design. So if you follow all these steps, you are going to become an amazing designer, UI designer. I hope that this video will help you become a better user interface designer. I am Muhammad Hassan. I am teaching UI design to more than 65,000 students. You can find the links in the description below to my free course. You can join that. Till then, we will meet in the next video. Take care and bye.